This is video about Splynx data top-up feature. We have client in Splynx that has reached his monthly limit and he was locked by the system. Here we can see it. Okay, let's open the client and let's add him some top-up data. There are auto top-up, but I will do it manually. I can select the quantity of megabytes or gigabytes of traffic that I want to sell to my customer. I'll choose the price. For example, I will sell him 20 megabytes for $0 or for $10, and I will put this transaction to my invoice. Adding it to the client, we can check that the rule was updated, and here we have an additional 100 megabyte of capped traffic that was added to the customer's account. The other option how to add the top-up to the client is to choose the top-up plan. So there is a predefined plan that we can choose, and it's also 100 megabytes for a price of 10, and in services this change is immediately visible. Customer has 200 megabyte cap additional to his monthly data plan. Third option is to enable auto top-up to customer account. In the menu top-up we can select auto top-up and choose the top-up plan that will be used. Maximum number of top-ups per month, in this case 5, and we save the settings. All the information about top-ups are visible in transaction and invoices. In this case we did 2 top-ups, one manually and one from the top-up plan, and it charged customers for $20. Next option is self top-up from the portal. Client can log into his portal, display his information, services and top-up data. Here we can see that he got 100 of megabytes monthly and 300 of top-up. And in services you can see the service name and the top-up option. Make a top-up from selected plan that we configured before, and client tops up his account. In this case, customer data are immediately increased. Let's check it. He got additional top-up. In this case, customer will pay for the data with the next invoice. But we can also enable that client will have to pay before top-up is applied. Here there is a history of his last transaction, $10 for 100 megabytes, and that will be charged next time. But let's go to the settings of portal and choose the top-up settings. Here you can see the option of auto top-up, but we will set up that manual top-up. We'll create the invoice that should be paid before top-up.